Hi, just wanted to show you real quick how to do a screencast. It's a great way to share how to do something on a computer, and within its limitations, it works really, really well. So you do it through QuickTime Player, and for most of us on a Mac here, we get to it through our Launchpad. Again, I'm not sure if this works on a PC, but I know it works on a Mac. So click on Launchpad, and then mine is my other, and I click on QuickTime, and boom, it opens up here, and then I go to File, and it goes to New Screen Recording is what we want. It's grayed out because I'm currently using it, but what I've done is take some screenshots. So uh, when you click on New Screen Recording, then this little guy pops up. Okay, this pops up, and the first thing it's going to do is ask you if QuickTime, if you haven't used it before, if QuickTime can use your internal microphone, and you say yes, because that's how you're hearing me now. It's recording my voice because I allowed it to do that. You see this little down arrow here? If you click on that down arrow, then it gives you your little options, and if you've never done one before, it'll be on none. So if you skip this step and you do a recording and you talk and then you play it back and there's no audio, you wonder why, you're like, well, this is why, because you have to select internal microphone as what's providing the sound. Another option you have, and I don't have it clicked here, but you can have it highlight your mouse clicks in the recording. It'll show the mouse, obviously, but you want it to be able to highlight the mouse clicks. So again, before you click the record button here, you click the down and you select, make sure the internal microphone is selected. The other thing you want to do is you want to make sure that this, on this bar, let's see if I can show you here, see this little bar here? You want to make sure this is all the way to the left. If not, then when you're talking, it'll play it back to you as you're talking, and you get a really funky feedback loop. So you don't want that. You want this all the way to the left, and you want internal microphone selected here, and then this one here is optional. And then when you're done with that, and you click on this record button, then you'll get a screen that looks like this. And you see here, click to record the full screen, and I just clicked within this message, I just clicked, and then in the upper left-hand corner, as you see here, you see this box with a circle around it, that indicated that it had started recording and that we were good to go. And that's it. And then when you're done, you press on this, and as soon as I press on this, it's going to be done recording this, and then I'm going to save it as a QuickTime file. And then the easiest way to share it for me without sharing the file is just to have my own YouTube page associated with my APS account, and I just upload all my instructional videos to that, and then I share that link. So that's it. Hope this helps. Got any questions? You got my number, you got my email, david.roberts@aps.edu. Thanks much.